Hi, this is Carole Conlon with I Need LifeWeaving, and we are giving tips about working with spirit in this series right now. Today's tip is about talking to spirit, seeing if they're talking back to you. We do set up spirit committees in order to help us in our life. If you want to know more about finances, why not put Bill Gates or one of the richest people in the world on your committee to help you out? There's nothing wrong with that, but we're bringing in experts. And so we're going to listen to experts. And what you want to do, therefore, is not only ask questions of your spirit guides, but we also want to listen for the answers that they're giving us. When you're dowsing, that's what you're doing. Most dowsers are working through the high self committee, asking questions, and the committee collects the answers and brings them back to you. And it works. You can tap into the Akashic records that way. You can know the past perfectly that way. The future may not be quite so easy. Look at asking questions for your guides and then do listen for the answers. The answers for me come in my head. And what I like to do is say, I'm getting on my headset this information. That way, people won't think that I'm hearing voices in my head, even though that's exactly what happens. The voice you hear will be your own. That's normal. Be open and listen for the answers. Don't be like the TV shows where they're ghostbusting and they go, oh, I think I see something. Look, there's a blip on my machine. And everyone's going, ooh, ooh. Let's have them do it again to make sure it's real. They say, show us again, show us again, show us again. And eventually it doesn't work because the spirit has only so much energy as far as producing a sign in our dimension. So don't be like that and listen to the answers and accept them unless they are just too wild, too crazy. And then if that happens, check. Where's the information coming from? It should come from source officially, but if you are testing, it's coming from both source and guardian angels or guides or the self, then you're not getting the right answers. The answers do need to make sense, but you will hear them in your head. I douse rather quickly, and that is because I'm hearing answers in my head before the pendulum even hits that spot on the chart. You can do it too if you practice, lots of practice. Once you get used to it, you get into a pattern and it works out beautifully. That is the last tip on listening to your guides and hearing what they're saying. Come back for the next tip. We'll have some fun then. Thank you for coming, and I hope you enjoyed the video.